I said, we have got to find out who could do this. And he said that he did not know who it was, but he felt like whoever did it had thought about it for a really long time.
A roller coaster of emotions in the courtroom today as week 4 in the murder trial for disbarred attorney Alex Murdaugh heats up with emotional testimony. Cameron Bopp has more on what new testimony has been admitted today.
Today, Alex Murdaugh laughed and cried, and he reminisced about his wife Maggie and his youngest son Paul as Maggie's older sister took the stand detailing the family's life before the June 2021 murders. She detailed how her last text to her sister was her convincing Maggie to go back to their Colleton County property, Moselle, the night of the murders.
You encouraged her to go to Moselle?
I did.
Was that the last time you talked to her?
Yes.
She said she was under the impression Alex wanted Maggie to go with him to visit his ailing parents. Now, just as quickly as her testimony elicited emotion from Murdaugh and his family just a few rows behind him, the tone quickly changed when Marion mentioned that Alex never seemed to be concerned about finding who killed his wife and son.
I think everybody was afraid, and Alex didn't seem to be afraid.
The defense then opening the door to testimony regarding Murdaugh's alleged suicide for hire plot, where he was shot on the side of the road in September, just months after the murders. The defense, working to dismiss this testimony, motioned for the jury to leave. Once out of the courtroom, the state and defense argued as to why it should or shouldn't be included, in addition to testimony about infidelity stemming from an alleged 2007 affair, according to Marion. The judge did not allow that testimony. The state also called forward her husband, Maggie's brother-in-law, who testified that he heard Alex's voice in a video Paul took at the kennels just minutes before prosecutors say the murders happened. The defense also wrapped up cross-examination of a state expert witness who conducted autopsies on Maggie and Paul's bodies, with the defense claiming, despite her expert opinion on how the two were shot and killed, an opinion is still an opinion. And now the defense at 9:30 tomorrow morning is set to argue why the alleged suicide for hire plot should not be included in testimony. That comes as Judge Newman has allowed testimony regarding Murdaugh's pill addiction. In downtown Walterboro, Cameron Bopp, Live 5 News.